slide. Hey y'all, what's up? So our camera girl for today had to cancel on us literally the last minute, so irritated. But me and Kaela was like, we still just gonna go take each other's pictures. Ashley's supposed to be the behind the scenes person today. I'm about to get in the shower, wash my face, put my makeup on. I don't even remember how I wanted to do my hair at this point. Like, I just added the baby hairs, but I don't remember how I want to do it now because I'm irritated. So, prayerfully this shoot comes out well, and yeah, go from there. Another reason why I'm annoyed, y'all, sorry, real quick. Johan was supposed to send me a bathing suit for today's shoot, but he said it was sent to the wrong person, something, I don't know. I just ain't never get it. So we're not going to be shooting in his stuff. We're going to be shooting in this other bathing suit that I got. I actually have a few options for the shoot. And depending on like how everything goes, we might do more than one look, or we might just keep it to the one bathing suit. I don't know yet. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, no, they're gonna be eating this up. Like, oh, you smell good. Alright, we made it here, guys. So, no photographer, no suit, but it's okay. That's fine. Anyways, Kaela's here though. That counts. Ashley had an emergency, so we're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna vlog and record. Probably we're gonna take pictures of each other because, you know, sometimes you just gotta do it. Like,
sometimes you gotta make it do what it do with what you got.
Right. All of the other available photographers was either at their day jobs, and one of them had to put their car in the shop. Like, literally, like right before they seen the post that I posted.
And everybody I DM said the same exact thing. Right? Even the invitation.
She definitely at work. Oh, you know what? It was this other girl I could have messaged, but I don't know, because I think she do have a day job too, but she been going through some drama. She posted some crazy stuff to her page, okay? Yeah. Posted some crazy stuff.
What is it? Motherfucking retrograde right now?
I don't know what any of that stuff means, but yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, definitely. Someone will have to explain it to me, because IDK.
I don't know this fucking road.
The doggies. How you doing? We in the real wilderness. We really outside.
Outside.
We for real outside. I couldn't find both of my Crocs, so with like the matching Crocs.
We about to break the internet with these pictures. The bodies is guardian.
Girl, wait. Look this. That joke is crazy. And then, girl, I got a wax too, fresh. My wax lady don't play neither. Okay.
Yeah.
We getting our steps, and I should have worn my watch. And see, I know we going the right way because the.
And I was just about to say, bitches is putting the work in. You know, I've been working out, and I'll be walking.
Girl, I need to get on them. I asked somebody to work me out. They still haven't. So, but there's this girl. I'm gonna ask if I can work out with her, cause she be getting it for real. I think, and she do personal. She trying to do personal training. Is this the right way?
Hey, Mo.
Oops, sorry.
We're gonna see.
I'm done going.
Was it another way down there to go? Or no?
No, it was they're going up. See?
Shit.
I don't know. This going up too, ain't it?
And I thought you should have bought some other shoes.
Oh my gosh. Right.
Ever did the like random plant touching me because I don't know what the fuck that was. I like this.
Yeah. I agree.
I'm gonna come back with some different shoes and clothes.
Definitely the different shoes. Bitch, was we supposed to go up?
What the fuck is the signs? I don't. You think?
I don't know. Cause this is going back that way.
Oh shit.
And you can't hear the water because they mowing the grass. There was no sign on the other trail though.
This is about to make me mad. This
Thanks.
is about to fucking blow our house.
God sent us a sign. Why we so confused? Like what? So we could have came in from the restroom side. We just walked all the way around from where we parked.
So then we go down here? No. Nothing? It's like a small little cave. I guess that's for the real hikers, huh?
I think we found Narnia.
Shit, don't fall off, don't fly on me.
Yeah, just what the fuck fucking even all those.
Yay. Oh shit, we finally made it.
Did I have came this way? No.
Oh, we made it.
Thank you, Lord.
Alright.
What?
Nothing, girl. Nothing, girl.
I just thought to myself that I didn't have to use that because you're doing it. You got the same thing, how you want it? Oh no, you want it. I can lie or lie. Yeah. Sometimes I put the. I can get it like close to you. You know what I'm saying? Like in the water. You don't get it like because I like special nails, I just I like one to
Mine look like I got a whole bunch of makeup on. My face look like, my eyebrows look like I got a whole bunch of makeup on. Yes. Alright, y'all, so we done. That was not what we was expecting at all. But we was for real. We was so excited too. Like we was like, yeah, we about to do. We gotta go out the country to get a real waterfall or something. I'm thinking.
That was little.
Look, I came prepared. I thought I was gonna get my hair wet.
Like in paradise.
Something. It was paradise. It was just a small piece of it.
A small, dirty.
Small piece of it. Like a
we
piece
need to
that
be
they
in somebody
forgot.
like a blue, clear waterfall.
Yeah. But it's cool. You know what I'm saying?
It's cool. We made it do what it do, you know?
Slide.